A hit-and-run incident occurred late Thursday night at approximately 10:30 p.m. near Bawri Mansion in Dhankheti, Shillong, when a speeding Ford EcoSport rammed into two scooties and several other vehicles before fleeing the scene. According to police sources, the vehicle, bearing registration number ML05P2414, was travelling from Dhankheti towards Malki. Just before reaching Woodland Hospital, the driver struck two scooties and reportedly collided with other vehicles as well. Eyewitnesses stated that the driver did not stop and sped away despite public attempts to stop him. The vehicle was later found abandoned near Pandonglait Lady Hydri Park after fleeing in the direction of Bawri. Police identified the two affected scooters as ML05V 5339, ridden by Lamjing Shai Kupar Nongbet of Maulai Mauro, and ML05R 8515, ridden by Asif Walang of Laban. Both vehicles sustained damage and Nongbet was injured in the incident. He was promptly taken to Woodland Hospital for treatment. The suspect remains at large as of the latest police update. Records from the Regional Transport Office indicate that the EcoSport is registered under the name Ruchir C. Mara. An investigation is ongoing.
VIP का